The Piña Colada, a popular tropical cocktail made with rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice, has its origins in Puerto Rico. Here's a brief history. Early versions. It is believed that a similar drink was made by Puerto Rican pirate Roberto Cofresí in the early 19th century to boost his crew's morale. However, the exact recipe he used is unknown and not officially recorded. Modern invention. The modern Piña Colada was created in 1954 by Ramón Monchito Marrero, a bartender at the Caribe Hilton in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Marrero was tasked with creating a signature drink for the hotel, and after 3 months of experimenting, he came up with the Piña Colada. Recognition. The drink quickly gained popularity and became a symbol of Puerto Rican culture. In 1978, the Piña Colada was declared the official drink of Puerto Rico. The name Piña Colada translates to strained pineapple in Spanish, referring to the freshly pressed and strained pineapple juice used in the cocktail. Consuming a Piña Colada, like any alcoholic beverage, has various effects on the body, both immediate and long-term. Depending on the amount consumed and individual health factors, here are some of the effects. Immediate effects. Alcohol's impact. Euphoria and relaxation. Alcohol, primarily from the rum, can induce feelings of relaxation and euphoria. Impaired judgment and coordination. Higher amounts of alcohol can impair motor skills, judgment, and coordination. Dehydration. Alcohol is a diuretic, which can lead to dehydration if not consumed with adequate water. Sugar content. Energy spike. The high sugar content from the pineapple juice and coconut cream can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to a temporary boost in energy. Energy crash. This spike can be followed by a rapid drop in blood sugar levels, causing fatigue or a sugar crash. Calories. Weight gain. Piña coladas are high in calories, primarily from sugar and fat, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Calories. Weight gain. Piña coladas are high in calories, primarily from sugar and fat, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Long-term effects with regular consumption. Liver health. Chronic alcohol consumption can lead to liver damage, including fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Heart health. Excessive alcohol intake can increase the risk of heart disease and hypertension. Pancreas health. Both alcohol and high sugar content can contribute to pancreatitis and other pancreatic issues. Weight management. Regular consumption of high-calorie drinks can lead to obesity and associated health issues, such as diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Nutrient deficiency. Alcohol can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, leading to deficiencies. Positive effects in moderation. Social enjoyment. Consuming a Piña Colada in moderation can enhance social interactions and enjoyment. Antioxidants. Pineapple juice contains antioxidants like vitamin C, which can have beneficial effects on the immune system. Stress relief. Moderate alcohol consumption can provide temporary relief from stress and anxiety for some individuals. Recommendations. Moderation. If you choose to drink Piña Coladas, do so in moderation to minimize negative health effects. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to counteract the dehydrating effects of alcohol. Balanced diet. Ensure your overall diet is balanced to avoid excessive calorie and sugar intake from cocktails. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my updated new video.